Hello, dear students. Today we are starting a new topic, that is international place value chart. This is a new topic for you, so you must concentrate well to understand the concepts well. Okay, so let us start international place value chart. So in the international place value chart, we already learned Indian place value chart. There is some difference is there between international place value and Indian place value chart. Okay, so what are the difference we can find it? Okay, so we start with the ones place. That means actually in the international place value chart, the numbers are divided into ones, thousands, and millions places. Okay, in ones place, as we already studied, that is we already in Indian place value system. It's the same. You can see ones, tens, and hundred. These are the same in Indian place value chart too. Okay, so in ones place, ones, tens, and hundred comes. There is no difference in that one. Next it comes to the hundred place again. Thousands place, thousands, 1,000, and 10,000 also same. Okay, 10,000 place. But when we go to the next one, actually ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and next one in Indian place value chart is what, lakhs. But in international place value chart, instead of lakhs place, it is given as 100,000s. Okay, in thousands it is actually belongs to the thousands place. Okay, not in lakhs. Okay, so in a international place value chart, there is no lakhs place. Instead of that one, it given us what, 100,000s. Okay, so that is the first difference. You can find it in international place value charts. Again it goes to next one. It comes to after lakh we are having 10 lakh, but instead of that one it is 1 million. Okay, 1 million. Okay, and after that it is what, 10 million. That's so this belongs to the millions place. Okay, so in thousands place it is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then after that it comes to millions. That means 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, so like that it is going. Actually it is when we compare to the which one Indian place value chart, what is the difference we can see. Actually here ones, tens, 100. Okay, so 1,000, what is that? Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here actually lakh. Okay, and here 10 lakh, here crore, here 10 crore. So instead of these places we are having new things. That is, here you can see 100,000 become, sorry, lakhs become 100,000s, 10 lakh become 1 million, and 1 crore place become 10 millions, and 10 crores place become 100 millions. Okay, so that is the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Okay, so actually we to do our exercise or completing our works well, we need to know further how we are writing or how we are reading these numbers. Okay, so I am going to explain to you how we are writing these numbers. Okay, so I'm taking all the exams, all the numbers I took, so I will explain to you how we are writing these numbers. Okay, say taking the smallest number. Okay, you can see that this is a 3-digit number. So how we are reading this number, you can see that this is a 3-digit number, so it's in the place value charts also we learn there is no difference in that one. So we can easily read this one, 751. First one, 751, no problem. Okay, so next one it is going to, you can see ones, tens, 100, and thousands. So no problem in that one. You can read that 2,751. Understand, 2,751. So no problem in that one too. So let's take the next one. We can see ones, tens, 100. Okay, then 1,000. What is the next one? 10,000, isn't it? So there is also no difference in that one. You can read that what, 42,751. Okay, up to this one there is no problem, same as in Indian place value chart. Let's again move to the next number. You can see that ones, tens, 100. Okay, then thousands, 10,000. What is next one? Okay, 1,000, 10,000, not lakh. Before, instead of that one it is what, 100,000. This 9 is on 100,000. So this is how can we read this one is, you need to read these numbers, 3 numbers together. That means 942. 942,000 because this belongs to thousands categories indeed. So these three numbers are belongs to the thousands place, so you need to read together 942,751. Understand, that is the difference. This is not 9,42,751. In international place value chart you need to read this one 942,751. Okay, so let's move to the next number. Okay, you can see that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and what is that, 100,000, then again what is million. So this number you have to read as this is 8 is on this million place, 1 million place, so 8,942,751. Understand? So let's move to the next number. You can see that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, next one 10 million. So you need to read this one as 28. Understand? 28. So 28,942,751. Understand? 28,942,751. Understand? You need to read together this one. Million place 28 is given there, isn't it? So 28,942,751. Okay. Now let's move to the next number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, then next one 100 million. Okay, so how can we read this number? This is 100 million. Understand? So you need to read millions place together. This is what millions place we can see 5 to 8, that is 528,942,751. that's all. Okay, so 5 to 8, these three numbers on millions place, so you need to read together this number 528,942,751. So that's all for today. If you having any difficulty, just send me message on WhatsApp, okay, or you can either call me. That's it for today's sessions. All of you please go through this topic one or two times. Okay, if you have any difficulty in doing these questions, you can make a call to me, and all of you try to watch this video one or two times. Okay, thank you.